Advocate Ramsipidi to come
Is
in.
Mr. Ramsipidi an advocate or an attorney? Because
an
an advocate
attorney.
can appoint
I
or
beg your
instruct
pardon.
another advocate.
I
It's
beg
only an
your-
attorney who can do that,
I beg your pardon.
if I recall
An
my law.
attorney. I beg your pardon.
Hmm.
That is indeed so, my lord. I requested that I am ready to proceed
Yes.
as from tomorrow as arranged in relation to the evidence of the magistrate.
Yes.
And I was going to bring an application for the recalling of Colonel Mboto, who has already testified on Friday, together with Sergeant Munareng, on the instructions that I got from accused number 1. And I humbly request the court, your worship, sorry, my lord, that I need to consult with both accused number 1 and number 2 and request the honorable court to make an order that I be given some few hours to consult with accused number 1 and number 2, as it pleases the court.
Yes, Mr. Baloyi?
As a court, please, my lord, we've indicated to our colleagues we're not going to object to the request. The only proviso is that we proceed with the evidence as scheduled for tomorrow.
And when do you intend to recall this Colonel Mboto?
Yeah, we will ask them to be on standby as from tomorrow, my lord.
Yes, fine. No, the court is amenable to the application for a postponement and for the instruction to advocate Ngomezulu in respect of accused number 1 and number 2. Our constitution allows a litigant at any stage of the proceedings to augment, change, or fire a legal representative. So the application for the instructions regarding Advocate Ngomezulu are acceded to because, as I say, the accused enjoys an absolute and unlimited right in terms of our constitution to choose a legal representative of his choice. Okay.
Inkantolo-ke iyavuma noma-ke ayinankinga nesicelo esilethwe kuyena-ke uMr. Ramusipile ukuthi aqobe yena-ke u-Advocate Ngomezulu ukuthi-ke aqhubekeke nokuthi amele umsolo wokuqala kanye nowesibili. Ushilo-ke u-Advocate Ngomezulu ukuthi uzocela-ke ukuthi kuqhutshekwe kusasa nanjengoba esadinga-ke isikhathi sokuthi akhulumisane naye umsolo wokuqala kanye nalowo wesibili. Wakusho-ke nokuthi uKolonel Mboto esenikezile ngobufakazi bakhe ngoLwesihlanu kanye noSergeant Munareng uzocela-ke ukuthi nabo-ke baphinde babizwe futhi.
So this court issues the order that Colonel Mboto and Ms. Constable Munareng should be recalled, and the arrangements will be left to the prosecutor, Mr. Baloyi, together with Mr. Ramusipidi and Mr. Ngomezulu as to when that eventuality should occur.
Inkantolo futhi-ke isiyahambisana-ke naloko ukuthi-ke uKolonel Mboto kanye naye uConstable Munareng babuyeke nanjengofakazi ukuthi bazobuya nini-ke lokho-ke izokuyekela kubona-ke u-Advocate Baloyi, uMr. Ramusipile kanye naye u-Advocate Ngomezulu.
Okay. And this is the court, in respect of the proceedings which are enduring from today up to whenever Mr. Mnisi is again available. I'll be failing my duty if I do not advise accused number 3 that this court has made an order in terms of section 159 that the proceedings regarding this court should proceed in the absence of Advocate Mnisi on the proviso that all the evidence that is led, beginning from today, that evidence is captured on record, will be made available to Mr. Mnisi so that he can consult with his client, accused number 3.
Mr. Mncube, inkantolo ikhuluma nawe ukuthi nanjengoba le nkantolo ibishilo-ke ukuthi izoqhubeka-ke engekho-ke yena ummeli wakho u-Advocate Mnisi isebenzisa yena-ke u-section 159 wawo umthethosisekelo ukuthi-ke konke obekuzokwenzeka-ke noma kwenzekayo kusukela namuhla-ke lesi sikhathi engekho yena u-Advocate Mnisi ukuthi-ke kuzorekhodwa-ke bese ukuthi-ke akunikezwe ahlale phansi nawe akhulumisane noma consulte nawe ngaloko okwenzekile noma okhulunyiwe nkathi ebengekho enkantolo.
And this is made in terms of our constitution, namely that an accused person should face his accusers, meaning the witnesses who testify here, so that you don't suffer any prejudice regarding the fact that if your advocate is not here, then ukwebelesa again, because our people may not understand why it's happening. But the law allows it, not me. The law allows it in the case of an emergency like pertaining to Mr. Mnisi, that he is involved in a apartheid matter, according to him, which commenced before this trial, and that is enjoined to continue and finalize it. So our law enjoins us as the court constituted together with the advocates and myself that there should be no perceptible or plausible prejudice which must be suffered by accused number 3. So all the evidence will be replayed in the presence of Mr. Mnisi, and if he so desires, he can cross-examine and pursue any other aspect which transpired when he was not present in court. Okay.
Ikusho-ke inkantolo ukuthi lokho ekwenzayo akusiyona-ke into engaphandle komthetho kodwa yinto-ke ehambisana nomthetho ukuthi lokhu-ke iyakwazi ukuthi inkantolo ingakwenza noma ingaqhubeka icala ngoba ushilo u-Advocate Mnisi wathi-ke i-case lena akuyona i-case eyaqala ngaphambi kokuthi lena-ke i-case iqale okusho-ke ukuthi-ke nanjengoba ijaji eshilo-ke ukuthi umthetho uyakuvumela-ke ukuthi nanjengomsolwa-ke ubhekane nalaba abaletha-ke ubufakazi ngakuwena bese kuthi-ke uma esekhona u-Advocate Mnisi alalele konke lokhu ebeqhubeka enkantolo akhulumisane noma consulte nawe bese-ke kuyaqhutsheka-ke ukusuka lapho.
So you are also advised by this court to take notes and note the evidence that is being adduced in the absence of your counsel, so that you can give him instructions arising from whatever perceptions you regard as important for him to be apprised of, in order that he must conveniently cross-examine the witnesses in terms of your instructions. Okay.
Nawe-ke inkantolo iyakwazisa-ke noma isiyakutshela-ke Mr. Mncube ukuthi kuleyo ndawo ohlezi kuyona-ke makunofakazi olana unikeze noma uwethula ubufakazi wenzeke ama-notes noma-ke ubhale lokho othi-ke uyafuna ukuthi ukubhale uma esefika-ke ummeli wakho umchazele ukuthi cha yiloku ebekade kushiwo noma yilanga ama-notes engiwenzile waloko bekushiwa ufakazi la enkantolo. Kuyezwakala?
Understand, sir?
Kuyezwakala Baba Mncube? I understand, my lord.
Okay, so the matter then, for those reasons that Mr. Mncube are going to be ceased with the defense of accused number 1 and 2. The matter is then postponed to tomorrow. You say tomorrow, Mr. Baloyi, who is the next witness?
It's the magistrate, Ms. Cronje, my lord.
And the court, okay, fine. And the court orders, where's the head of the security in respect of any witness? Are there any security officers here?
It's the prison officials from
Okay. So it's only the prison officials.
Modabi and Koshimambu in respect of accused 1 and 2.
Okay. So I request you, sirs, to accord Mr. Ngomezulu the opportunity to consult with accused number 1 and 2, so that you mustn't just take them away now. If needs be, please take them again away as the arranged time at 3:30. Is that okay? Where's the head of the... Where is he? Okay. Can you give us an indulgence to let Mr. Ngomezulu consult with accused number 1 and 2, and you can take accused number 1 and 2 together with the other accused at the normal regular time, which is 3:30. Is that not so?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes? I'm listening. I'm listening.
Yes, sir.
3:30. Okay, thank you. Right, the court will adjourn then until tomorrow.